Daddy, Father, Christmas has already come to my house, Daddy.
Wow, and what did he bring you?
He bring lots of presents in my cooking.
Shall we open some?
Yes.
Go on then, pull a present out.
Good.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
You pull it, Good girl, pull. That's it, that's it.
You
Keep going. You
pull my red present out.
there. Ooh.
What's in?
Wow, let's get you started. There you go.
Okay.
What's he brought you? What is it? What have you got? There you go. What is it?
What is it, Charlotte?
It's a Peppa Pig TV from Father Christmas.
He knew you love Peppa Pig. Oh, wow. Do you want to open this one?
Yes.
Whee!
Cut me off, Mummy.
Start you off, okay? Start you off. Right, started you. Oh. Charlotte, do you remember we talked about Dorothy and her little dog Toto? And the Scarecrow and the Tin Man and the Lion? We can watch it together. Father Christmas must have heard. What do you think, Charlotte? Wow. Shall we see? There's other things in your stocking. Get your hand in there and pull them out. Oh. Pull. What are those? Stickers.
Stickers. And more things in there.
Oh, let's have a look. I'll pull this way, you pull that way. Oh! What is that? Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
Father Christmas knows you're good at brushing your teeth.
And more.
And more?
More.
Oh, what are they?
Mickey Mouse clips.
Clips. Oh, they'll look pretty in your hair.
And more.
What's this? Oh, look at the little picture on the front, Charlotte.
What's in here?
It's a little purse. It's a kitty purse, look.
You open it.
It's a kitty purse you can put all your pennies in.
There's my penny.
We'll put some in later.
You help me set it.
Oh,
Yeah, Mom.
Father Christmas, you've been very generous. Pull. Oh, another present?
Yes.
Can we get you started?
You get me started, Mummy.
Okay, I got you started.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Peppa Pig socks.
Yay! Aren't they lovely? They'll keep your feet warm, won't they?
At the back. Peppa's on the back.
Oh, fantastic.
And umbrella on the back.
For a rainy day.
For a rainy day and red doors.
I bet George is on another sock.
This is on. It's not on this sock. He's on this sock.
You found him.
He's on this sock.
Oh. Is there anything else in your stocking?
Yes.
Oh!
Toothbrush.
A new toothbrush to go with your toothpaste.
Yes.
There can't be anything else in there.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. This.
Oh, what is that? Is it a dinosaur?
It's a dragon.
Oh, of course it's a dragon, silly mummy. Press his tummy button. Oh! Wow, Charlotte.
He wanted to sing, Mummy.
Haven't you done well? Look at all your presents from Father Christmas.
Oh, another present in there.